Happy Sunday!
Happy Sunday, guys.
We are at Walker Lake, near Hawthorne, Nevada. We're what, like 130 miles from Tahoe now?
Not far.
Not far. Almost there. Almost there. We can't check into the RV park there until 1, and it's 11:30, so we should get there right around a little after 1. This is such a beautiful drive out here. What is this, the
95? US 95, yeah.
Ah, beautiful. We've been through here a few times with the straight truck. I know we've gotten footage before, but yeah, it is beautiful, and I'm excited to get to Tahoe. We're almost there.
Almost there. It's been a road trip. It's
I
been
know.
fun. Man, the Airstream pulls so nice with the Super Duty.
It does.
Man, I just set cruise control. It goes up the hills, down the hills, like the engine, or it's an exhaust brake in the Super Duty. But with cruise control set and the exhaust brake set, it just, I mean, we went down 6% grades, and it just maintained speed the whole way down. So
yeah, with this beast of a truck, it's like it's not even back there.
Beast mode. Yeah, up hills, down hills, it just pulls it like nothing. And I mean, the Airstream's 10,000 pounds, so it's not really a lightweight RV. Sure, it's small and all that, but it's a heavy duty. It's probably the heaviest Airstream they make. So
yeah,
it does the job.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been a cool trip, so let's get the rest of the way.
All right, let's go.
We made it!
Yeah, it is so pretty here.
It's beautiful here. We just got everything set up, and we are going to go have some dinner because we are hungry. We haven't eaten today.
All day, and it's already 4 o'clock. Who you guys barking at? Huh? What do you think? You like the park? Okay. We'll catch you guys later. We're going to eat.
We're going to end this vlog here. We'll pick up the next one. We'll show you the park, what we're going to be doing here. We're very excited.
Yeah, it should be fun.
Yeah. Thank you guys as always for watching and subscribing.
Until our next video.
Peace, love, and expediting.